Hope anybody checked on the poi?
The poi is safe, Mavala. The poi is safe. Yee-hoo!
Waiahole Poi Factory, located in the food court of the Wimmer Mall Shopping Center. Wow, I cannot believe finally doing Hawaiian food on my channel after all this time. But anyways, combination plate right there: Kalua pig, poi, haupia, lomi salmon, squid luau, and this thing right there was the bangers. The beef luau bowl. This thing was so ono. I ended up going back and getting one more. But this place, I gotta tell you, for an Hawaiian food place in one food court, the price is really reasonable. Go check them out, support local.